I'm going to show you guys how to trade US30 using trend lines and breakout strategy on this market, right? So we're currently seeing that this market right here is selling at this point, and the market is at oversold level on the 1 hour time frame. So meaning the market will soon buy. So if I go over to the 1 hour time frame right here, and if I zoom out quickly, we can see that this market is at the higher high, right? This market is at the higher high at this point, as you can see, and the market has sold right now. So the next step is going to be a buy for this market. The next step is going to be a buy, right? Because what we're seeing right here, a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and we're going to see what? Another higher high at this point. Let me mark it for you guys so that you can see what I'm talking about. Right here, there's going to be another higher high at this point, because from here, higher high to this point, higher low, just as you can see, and from here to here, higher high, and this one right here, higher low. Okay, higher low, and there's going to be another one higher high at this point. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. So there's going to be another higher high at this point, and the market is going to buy, right? Because the market right now is selling at the 1 hour time frame, and on the 1 minute time frame, the market is what? At the oversold level. Just as you can see right here, the market bought at this point right now. So we're seeing what? A buy. We're seeing a buy at this level. We're seeing a buy. The market is going to buy at this point. So how do you use trend line to predict if the market is going to buy or if it's going to sell? What you need to do is to draw your trend line. All right, you want to take your trend line from the nearest candle tick. All right, from the nearest candle tick, you take it from here at this point right here. You take it from here and you let it touch the other one, the one that is closely to it. All right, you let it touch it at this point right here. All right, perfect. So when there's a breakout, guys, just as we are seeing right here, when there's a breakout, all right, you see that this is a red candle tick, and there was a breakout which is a buy, and there's a breakout which is a buy. The next one that will follow is buy, and that is a very good signal. All right, market is going to buy. Okay, though it may retest, it may buy and sell, buy and sell, but it's going to follow that uptrend. All right, and if we put in the moving average, just to show you guys what I'm talking about, if we put the moving average on our chart right now, we can see that the moving average is going what? Upwards. Okay, you can see it's going towards this direction, but it's going to what? It's going to face the upwards direction, right? The trend line is going to curve up. All right, just as we're seeing right here, the market what is buying. All right, this market is buying right now. Okay, so what do you do when you're trading in the market? You first of all, you go over to the higher time frame. You check the higher time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, to confirm your entries. You check the 1 hour time frame to confirm your entries. Now, like I said right here, you see at this point, okay, at this point right here, at this point, the market sold, it bought. Then the market sold, it bought. Then it sold again, then into buy. So now we're seeing that this market has sold for what? A particular period of time. All right, so you know it takes an hour on the hourly time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, for a fully candlestick to be created. Okay, it takes an hour for it to break out until the next candlestick. All right, now after this one is complete, the time for this candlestick is complete, it's going to break out, and the next one is going to be a buy. All right, the next one is going to be a buy, just as we are seeing right here on the 1 minute time frame. Just what we're seeing at the 1 minute time frame, because what we're seeing right here, we're seeing an upward trend on the market. That's what we're seeing on this market right now, an upward trend. So this market is buying at the moment right now. All right, and this is a very good strategy for you to trade this market. What you need to do is follow the trend lines, then you check the 1 hour time frame to confirm your entries for either a sell or a buy. And the one thing for you to take note is, if at the 1 hour time frame, if the market has bought for a particular period of time, what I mean for a particular period of time is, if like the market has bought to this point, right? The market has bought from a region right here. Let me use, all right. So the market has bought to this point right here. So we're seeing that this is a big buy, a very big buy position, right? And the next step that will follow after this long spike buy, the next step is going to be a sell. All right, the next step is going to be a sell. And if the market is at the overbought level and it has just, the market just bought, the market is going to what? The market is going to sell. All right, the market is going to sell. So just as we're seeing right here, the market is buying right now. The market is creating a bullish pattern. It's going upwards, and at the 1 hour time frame, you can clearly see that this market is selling, but it will buy. It's going to buy. This is a buy market. This market will buy on the 1 hour time frame before it will sell. So this is a good strategy for you to scalp the market, right? And scalping is one of my best strategy that I use to trade US30. And I'm going to use scalping strategy to trade this market to make profits off small price movement from the market. All right, so we all know what scalping is. When you take advantage of small price movement and you run from the market after you have taken your profits. All right, you run from the market after you have taken your profit. So that is how you scalp the market to benefit from those small price movement on the market. All right, so like I told you guys that this market is going to buy, just as you can see right now. Then if you want to predict if this market will sell, if you want to get a clear signal for a sell on this market that is buying right now, what you're going to do is to draw your trend line. Draw your trend line from the downwards of the bullish candle. You draw your trend line from the downwards of the bullish candle right here. You take it from here. You take it from this point. You want to make it touch the nearest candle tick until the third one right here. Then if you see a breakout, if there is a breakout, just like this market right here that is giving a sell sign, if the market sold below this level of this trade line, the market is going to sell. Okay, that is how you can scalp the market. If it sell below this trend line that I've just drawn right here, if it's sold below that line, the market is going to sell, although it's not going to be a very long sale. It might be a short sale, but that will give you advantages to scalp the market. A very good advantage to scalp the market and take that small profit from the market using this trend line strategy. All right, using this trend line strategy. So I hope you get what I'm trying to say to you guys using this strategy right here. All you need is better analysis on your charts. Then you need to be perfect with your strategy, and you need to stick to your strategy. Whatever strategy you are using, always stick to that strategy and continue to use that same method and strategy. If you are going for few candle ticks on the market, let that candle tick be the amount you want to take from that market. Let's say if you want to take about 2 or 3 sticks from this market with a particular period of time, let's say you want to take it every 10 minutes, you want to scalp the market every 10 minutes, let that strategy be what you are going to follow on that market, so that you count more of your winnings than your losses on your trade. All right, so I believe after watching this video you understand what I just said to you guys. So if you find value in this video that I've just shared to you guys, do it to like and subscribe to this channel, the Daily Forex, for more awesome trading tips and strategy. I'll see you guys on the next video.